Hi guys, Kyung here, and I'm going to do a flip through of the blue journal. It's all finished up, and I've used a Reader's Digest, an old vintage Reader's Digest book cover, and then I just put these little corner ends on and put this beautiful vintage lace trim on the spine, and I used a like a satin ribbon for its ties. So let's dig into it. I love its size. It's so cute. It's a little bit smaller than, an 8.5 by 11 folded up. It's just a little bit smaller than that. So here's the first page. We have the cover. I put this fabric on the inside of the on the spine, and I used the journal boat, 12 by 12s, and Artymaze for the most part throughout the journal. See, so here we have journal boat. This is all journal boat. Right, I have one of these little like photo memory things. We have a notebook in this pocket. Oh no, it's a flippy. It's a flippy book. Right, opens like this. All that journaling space. Here we have an envelope with on a paper clip, and that page, it's just an Artymaze envelope with a I forgot who makes those. The label maker. The best labels you can get, anyway. I'll have a link in the description to all the kits that I used for this journal. Some journaling pages. Some laces, a ledger page. This pocket, it has a vintage greeting card in it. See? 1968 that's been written in. And just some graph paper to write in and journal in. On this side, we have a couple little journaling cards or bookmarks. This page. We have another, okay, this is a notebook for sure. Right, so it's like a little notebook, and then on each side it also has a removable tearaway with pockets. Right, so that's that. Here's this page. In here we have a journaling card and some more journaling paper. Over here we have this is one of the envelopes that one of Lorna's stamps came in from Tailor Made Journals. A couple of tags, Artymaze tags. More Artymaze. That's the blue butterfly kit. The blue butterfly kit. More journaling space. This is actually Mrs Cogs. Right? Artymaze. I think that's journal boat. These actually came in a cute little 12 by 12 paper pad that I had, and they're so darling. So I made little journal cards out of them, and that is Graphics Fairy. Here we have a little tearaway notebook, and that's the first signature. Here's the second signature. We have some journaling cards, Artymaze, and then this I think also came out of a 12 by 12 paper pad. I think this is another notebook. Yep, a graph paper notebook. This little flippy with some little tiny journal boat cards. This pretty page, an Artymaze postcard, a pocket with some tags, journal boat. The pocket's Artymaze, the tags are journal boat. Here's here's like a little notebook thing. It's got some journaling in it. It's got this page, and then it has like a little glassine envelope. See? To like store things in. It's like a journaling card. And so that's that little notebook. Some journaling. This flips out like this. This has a journaling card in it. Or is this like a little... Oh, it's an envelope. It's a little coin envelope with a journaling card in it. And then we have this little ticket. I think it's 3 tickets. Yep. 3 tickets. And then this folds open and we have a journaling card here. Beautiful butterflies. And this is like a little tearaway tag notebook. Isn't that cute? I love it, right? And it's like stapled to the page. So there's all of that. On this page, we have some tickets, right? A little hot air balloon and a sticker. So that's in that. In the center spread, we have a pretty coloring page. And we have another notebook. This is just like a regular notebook with a bunch of different like school paper and lined paper. We have a little tag here. I think this is a journaling card. Yep. And 2 tags here. Some more journaling pages. This is some fabric that Fiona sent me. It's so pretty. I made a ruffle out of it. Let's see, ruffles and lace pages, just journaling. The other side to this little flip, and it's got like tickets and labels and stuff in it. Here we have one of these, a really cool playing card, which I just love, and a snippet. Right, so that's what that is. And then the last page, which is my little circle pockets that I put little flowers on, and there's just little tickets inside. So there we go. That is the blue journal, and I will have it listed in the shop and have a link in the description below. I really enjoyed making it. I loved it, and I have a bunch of these Reader Digest covers, so I plan to make more out of these covers. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye!